babies, welcome back to another video. If you are new to my channel, I hope you stay, like, comment, subscribe, click the bell. Just click the bell. If you're subscribed, then you know that you are subscribing to a total idiot, so at least I make you know that on the first day. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is highly requested. I know sometimes when I hear YouTubers say this video is highly requested, but no, for real, people request a video. I did this on my Instagram story and a lot of persons liked it. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do quick, easy and affordable nails routine with no acrylic. Yes baby, you heard me. No acrylic at all, and it look cute, it look real, and people are gonna tell us say it look cute. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Also, I'm gonna be doing a new thing where I put timestamp in my video. You might see it, you might not see it. Timestamp is where it tells you where and where specifically in the video I'm doing this and I'm doing that. So I tell you the intro, where I tell you what you need for nails, when I start the nails, and my outro. So hope you guys enjoy the video and let's get into it. So guys, these are everything that you're gonna need. My fingers look busty at the moment, but I'm coming to you guys real so you see what I'm on, okay? So of course you're gonna need the nails. These say cut out. When they say cut out, they mean the ones that are already, let me show you because I can't really explain it. The ones that are already curved at the end to fit your nail like that, not the ones that go right up in the bed. You're gonna need this thing that cleans up your cuticle. You're gonna need the cuticle thing, that brush. Look, I'm not a nail tech, okay? I just like being creative and helping myself. You're gonna need this to push up right here. You're gonna need a nail clip. Normally they use the actual nail thing that does, but this video is very affordable, okay? You're gonna need your cuticle oil. You're gonna need a base coat, a top coat, a buffer, and any jewelry you want to put on your nails if you want to put any. Alright, so let's get straight into the video now. Now I'm starting by pushing up my cuticle, so I'm just cleaning up my fingers before I actually add the nails. I just can't let you go. Lord knows that. Now I'm gonna be taking the cuticle cutter, if that's not what it called, that's what I'm gonna call it in this video, and I'm just gonna take off my excess cuticle that makes my finger look messy. We want it to be flat for the nails so that it looks as natural as possible. And then I'm just gonna buff off any excess oil on my finger. I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. And we're just gonna repeat the same exact step for each finger until we are finished. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. Now I'm gonna apply the cuticle oil on my cuticle and rub it in. So I also forgot to mention that you're gonna need glue to apply the tips. I'm using super glue. You can use any glue of your preference, any glue that you like. Now I'm going into the tips and I'm going to size up each one of them with my finger to ensure that it fits perfectly, and I'm going to do this in pairs so that I have for the other finger. I've been stuck on a memory, but it's not like I need it, and we may have some history. Now that I have all the tips lined out and ready, I'm going to apply each of them to my fingers. Now I'm going to clip the nail to the length that I want, and I'm going to do mine very, very short.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess.
Now I'm going to buff the false nails into my nail so that it looks seamless and it doesn't have that line and it looks flat and natural.
And left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
After I buff it into my nail, I'm going to buff it to shape it. So I'm going for a squared shape, so that's what I'm doing now. After I'm finished with buffing, I went to wash my hands to wash off the dust and everything, oil, everything off of my finger. Now I'm going to apply my base coat, and I did take out the accessories that I want to apply to my fingers. So after I put my base coat, I'm going to apply the accessories and then I'm going to apply my top coat over to seal it in.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us.
Now I'm going to apply the top coat on my fingers. Now that my left hand is done and it's looking cute and all, I'm gonna do my right hand off camera, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys and show you guys the finished look. And here we have the finished look, guys. Both my hands are finished, and this is just cute. I love how it came out. It was very easy, it was very quick, and it's very affordable, guys. I love this. Me there right outside, and people them outside, guys. I come out, I'm not gonna lie, this look nice. So guys, this is the end of my video. As you can see, my nails are done and cute. I really hope this video was helpful. I hope it was detailed. I hope it was step by step. I'm gonna open up some nice looking nails. And yeah, if you try this, you can send me your picture on Instagram. My Instagram name will be here on the screen, and I'll put it up. Okay guys, so yeah, I ate this now. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye babies. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye babies.